family? Black Phoenix checking in at the headquarters right now, man, working on that little project. I've been trying to come up with a new design. So I'm not really going to tell you what it is. I'm going to kind of show you what I'm working on. But I think if I come up with this, I might can be able to help two different industries as far as having a design that can be able to benefit two different markets. So you ever heard of the old saying? They say you keep trying to kill two birds with one stone. That's what I'm trying to do with this. So I'm gonna show you what I got laid out here. So right now I'm trying to come up with a way I can make it look real dope. Some real customized steps that's cost efficient, that's not real heavy, that you can actually still use wood planks in the inside of it, and be able to kill two birds with one stone. So I'm working on this design. I started with this, then once I got this one going, I realized that the bottom bar got to come down some more for me to put the tube going across, so that way the wood can lay on it. So I'm trying to work this out, man. So I'll be keeping you posted throughout the day, showing you what I got. So I'm glad this is the prototype. Like I say, I'm sitting here just having a moment to work out a few things. So I'm going to go in. Hold on.